Okay, we're at Mom and Pop's, and Rowan's hooked into a big one. Okay, so yeah, we got brothers and sisters helping out. That's awesome. This is team effort. Have you guys seen it yet? Okay.
Like 10 or 12 feet right here, and then he started going.
Okay. We should have timed this to see how long. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw for a moment. I saw the cork on this one had crossed the cork on this one.
Oh, I was like, what the heck? All right. Rowan's doing it, y'all. We think he's got a monster black drum on here. I don't think it's a redfish because it's not going crazy, but it's okay. Remember to keep your rod tip up, okay? And just, there you go. That's all right. We're gonna take our time. This is so exciting.
He's just stuck at like 10 feet away.
That's okay. He'll tire out. As long as we don't break the line, we're good. I'm gonna move this chair out of the way a little bit, give y'all some room. All right. He's coming over this way. So we don't want to get him around this pole over here. If we do, so if you can't, that's fine. Oh, it looks like he's gonna go for the dock. Start reeling, start reeling.
He's like deep in there.
Yeah, yep. There he is. I see the leader.
Whoa,
there he is.
Whoa, there he is. Whoa.
Okay.
He's so big. That's
It's okay. There he is.
No. Sorry, Ro. Hang on.
It's alright. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Let him run. He's like, not today.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, he's getting tired. This is what a great adventure before you go to Scotland, huh?
yeah.
He turns, he is power.
I know. Okay, good. All right. Rain God brings me. The Campbells are getting ready to go to Scotland, so what an adventure before they go. What do you think about that, Mandy?
Amazing.
Amen. All right, here we go. He's really trying, and that's okay. That's what happened when I broke off. Oh, there he is. I see him.
He's not moving as fast as he was earlier. So.
No, definitely not.
When your dad gets him up, make sure you get that net under him. It has to be under him. So
like, or should this white thing be like?
yeah.
Like
so
here?
you'll see when he pulls him close to the net.
Yeah.
He'll try to lead him into the net. What's a fight like, Chris?
Yeah, he wins, man.
He wins.
He can do whatever he wants, really.
Right. What do you guys think about that?
It's pretty epic.
Nice.
He beats the drag.
This young man here caught one already on our last trip.
But it's gonna be my fish.
Our last.
This one's going to be your fish.
Yes, sir.
Does he switch directions again? He's like,
This might be the smartest fish ever.
he might be.
Tom, what's the longest fish fight you ever had that you won?
Probably a black drum, yeah. About I don't know, 15, 20 minutes.
How long is this?
About the same, probably, maybe a little bit longer because we just don't, we don't want to lose them. And I've got the drag a little bit loose, but I just don't want the,
Yeah. Like the snap.
yeah, and
That kind of sucks.
yeah. I've got a good rig on there and I tied it on pretty good. I just want to make sure we tire him out before he, so it doesn't break the line.
Got like 90 right there, dude.
There you go. He's right there.
Whoa.
Okay.
He's enormous.
Good job. Good job. Well, if he's under 30 inches, we can, but I'm not sure.
I don't really care what you mean. I
Just keep him away from the dot.
I just want
Yep, he's putting up a good fight, isn't he? Look at that. Yeah, bring the net.
Right now.
Yeah, there he is. No, come on this side. We're here. Now he's coming over this side. He's a tricky one. He's a tricky one. That's okay.
Nice. Not giving up yet.
What do you think about that?
Good.
Good?
Golly.
Do you like fish?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like crab.
All right. Chris is doing his best. His last hurrah before he leaves the state of Texas to go to Scotland to be with his ancestors. I want to come over there and fish for halibut.
Oh, they fish all the time.
Bro, this
Very
fish
good.
is
Like a
fucking locked in.
Flounder on
It's an
steroids.
island.
Yeah.
Whoa! There he is. Come on, buddy.
Come on, buddy.
Buddy.
Don't be like that, fish. You've been a good fight. You did good. Time to give up now. Please.
You had a good fight.
For the love of all things.
We got father and sons and daughters and wives. And we got everybody out here enjoying this. Praise God. It's a beautiful night out. Just a little windy, but
Going to the right a little bit.
there we
Come on, buddy.
go. He's still fighting good. Just as long as the line don't snap and hit me in my face. Okay. There we go. There we go. Come on. There you go. He just doesn't want to turn on his side. Once-
Right.
All right, you got him now. Ian, get him.
I got him.
All right. Good job. Yes, the Campbell family landed a monster black drum. Good job.
Oh!
Man.
Hold it up.
No, you can just drop it down. You ain't going nowhere. Okay.
If not, I'm gonna hit him right now.
No, don't hit the fish.
You suck, fish.
No, he's a good boy. All right, all the boys get together.
Oh, Mom.
See your best Scottish face. Okay, so I've got a tape measure. I don't think it's gonna. I'll let you measure it.
Dude, that thing is skinny. It broke through his face. Look. He's digesting that crap.
You might have to kind of go as maximum as it was, and then add to it. Oh, there he goes. Oh, you want me to hold it? Okay. Oh no, he ain't gonna bite you. All right, let's see how big this thing is. Pull tight. Pull tight. And how big is it?
It says 64.
I'll flip it over.
30. Here. Are you at the end? Yeah, it's like 77.
37. Wait a minute. There you go.
38 and a half. Yeah, like 38 and a half.
Pretty good. 38 and a half. Whew. No, I'm sorry, baby. Yeah, she can pet him, not punch him. Yeah, you just grab him right under here. All right. So you gotta come on this side. Come on my side. Okay. And then you're gonna grab him right under here. There we go.
Put out your arms like a baby. You're gonna hold him like a baby. Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah.
Hey, Ro.
He's gonna take a picture.
There you go.
Look at Tom too.
All right, so
Yes, sir.
good to go. All right, so
Throw him in there. And watch.
there you go. Perfect. Good job.
And he's not floating like a dead monster.
That's right. He's good to go.
Good job, bud.
Wow.
Wow, way to go,
Campbell's.
guys.
Wait. So how long was his gonna float? How long was mine? I'm pretty sure mine was smaller.
I'm not sure. Good job. Good job.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was like 4 feet, 4 your feet, I think, right? Because you were using your feet, right? Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's all I got to say. All right, folks. Wow. That was pretty awesome. So happy. Here at Mom and Pop's. Yeah. And I had one break off over here because I didn't have my drag set. Chris was walking up on it and said the rod actually bent over to touch the pier almost, and then it snapped. So my bad. So, all right, let's get back at it.